Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about the important topic standard deviation levels. Market always takes support and resistance in standard deviation level only, but everyone they don't know that real auction process. Why? Everyone follow the price action. Price action and standard deviation levels are different. If they follow the price action, support and resistance, their trade will be failed only. If they follow the standard deviation levels, make as a resistance and support, their trade always will be success. Check the Nifty overall perfectly. It will test the standard deviation levels and it will reject from the standard deviation level also. So market itself, it will come and test the standard deviation levels and the rejection also in standard deviation levels. It acts as a here support and it acts as a resistance. So everyone, they have to understand the standard deviation levels in marketprofi tool. Then only they have to make the entry exit plan. The bank nifty exactly tests the standard deviation levels and they reject from the standard deviation levels also. Now inside the standard deviation levels, market itself, it will respond to the standard deviation levels, not any price action levels. Everyone must know that. Don't follow the different methods. Only if you learn the standard deviation levels, it's enough. If you always wait for the standard deviation levels, you can make the trade entry plan and you have to make the investment also. So recently one stocks, I will show you the Adani port, how the price moving whenever coming inside the standard deviation levels, exactly it will hit the +1 standard deviation, -1 standard deviation to +1 standard deviation, exactly perfectly hit. So why this price it will hit here and reverse back. So this is the perfect standard deviation levels. Everyone should follow the standard deviation levels, otherwise the trade will be failure, because standard deviation only the real auction process inside the bell curve development. So everyone should follow the standard deviation levels. Standard deviation only give you the high probability trade. If you don't know the standard deviation levels, you will be trade should be fail only. How the price tested the standard deviation levels, heavy sell off came, so again enter the standard deviation levels, the price reach the other standard deviation levels. So whenever you have to follow the not price action, support and resistance levels, you have to follow the standard deviation levels. So everyone must know that you have to know the standard deviation levels, only you have to back test. Your trade should be successful only on back test how the price react on, because nowadays nobody spend time in chart. I know that, because only back test only it will give you result. So you have to check where the standard deviation levels, where it will take support, where it will take resistance. Now what the market conditions. So everything you have to be back test only. So we are given full trained to our students, so they don't know they know the real standard deviation levels where they take entry exit. So everyone, they will give result and you get high probability trade only if you know the standard deviation level only. So standard deviation levels, it will give the where you have to take the entry, where you have to take the exit, and it will give the trade location also, where when you have to take the trade, and a full trade decision only given by the standard deviation levels. So everyone must learn the standard deviation levels, then only they have to enter in the market. If they don't have idea about the standard deviation levels, their trade should be same failure only, because everyone follow the different method, analyze method. No need to confuse in your brain multiple method in your mind. Keep always free, follow the standard deviation levels, your trade will be in successful. So thank you all, thank you for supporting my channel.